Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to Miss Brenda Dee Plays. Okay, guys, today I got a special treat. Today I'm bringing to y'all a surf and turf. Yes, y'all, a surf and turf. This is right on time for Mother's Day. If you're looking for that special meal for your mother, stay tuned. This will be the perfect meal for her. Okay, guys, here I have some steak that I have been marinating for like 3 hours. And I marinated in Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. First, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our skillet. We allowed our oil to heat up for 2 to 3 minutes before placing our steaks in our pan. Now you're going to allow your steaks to cook to your desired doneness. I cooked my steaks 7 minutes on each side because I was looking for a well done steak. Okay, we're going to let our steak continue to cook. While they are cooking, I'm going to show you how to prep your shrimp and your lobster tail. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, here's my lobster tail. I purchased this lobster tail from one of my local grocery stores here where I live. Okay, how we're going to prep our lobster tail is by cutting it down the middle. Please be careful on this part because of the shell is slippery and it can make your knife shift from one side to the other. Now that I finally got it cut in half, I'm going to rinse it off. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, here are my lobster tails after being washed and deveined. Make sure to get that black vein out the middle because you don't want that in whatever you're making with your lobster tail. You don't want that. And also, I have some shrimp here that I will also be cooking. And they are also washed and deveined with the tail still on. Okay, now I will be seasoning my seafood with Cajun seasoning. You also can use Tony Satcher, Creole seasoning, or Old Bay. This is all I had on hand, so this is what I'm going to use. Remember to season both sides. Now we're going to set this aside and we're going to check on our steak. Now that we let our steak cook for 7 minutes on the first side, we'll flip them over and let them cook for another 7 minutes on the other side. Now that our steaks are done, we will remove them from the skillet and let them rest. Now I'm going to show you how to make the garlic parmesan cauliflower rice. First, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Now that the butter is completely melted, add in 1½ teaspoons of garlic. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until garlic is infused in butter. Now we're going to add in an 8-ounce bag of cauliflower. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Continue to cook until cauliflower is tender. Remember to taste. This is not only for seasoning wise, this is also to make sure that your cauliflower is at its desired doneness. Add in a half a tablespoon of parsley. Now that this is done, we're going to set this aside and start on our seafood. Here we're adding in 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil, and a half a teaspoon of garlic. Allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes before adding in your seafood. Okay, now we're going to start adding in our seafood. Here we're going to cook our shrimp anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes per side, and we're going to do that to our lobster tail as well. Okay guys, while we're still cooking our seafood, I decided that I'm going to add in my asparagus. This way everything can get done at the same time. Add some salt and pepper to your desired taste. Okay, now we're going to flip our shrimp. Do y'all see the nice brown that we have on them? That's what we're looking for. And also with our lobster tails as well. We're going to continue to let our asparagus cook. They're not ready to flip just yet. Okay, let's give our asparagus a nice little toss. We want to make sure to make sure the other side is down in our pan. Y'all, it smells so good in this kitchen right now. The fragrance from the garlic and the butter in this skillet with the seafood all mixed together, y'all. It smells so good. Okay, guys, I'm going to allow this to finish cooking, and then we're going to plate. And then I will let you see our final results. Note this, the thicker the steak, the longer you will have to cook it to get it well done. The thinner the steak, the least you will have to cook it. So keep that in mind when it comes to cooking your steak. Okay guys, here's our final results. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember guys to like, share, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And remember, you're always welcome at Miss Brenda Dee's place. Love y'all. Bye-bye.